Good morning, everyone. I would like to show you a gorgeous rug, one of a kind. Then it is not exist in a market anymore. Take a look at this amazing Carman Persian rug. Excellent quality, gorgeous, looking as a brand new almost. How beautiful it is. The owner don't have not a dog, not a cat, none. Used to live in Ohio, and he searched on the internet Oriental Rug cleaning, and he saw how everybody is cleaning the Oriental Rug with a scrubber. The owner of this rug have several restaurants, and he know when he needs somebody to come over and clean his carpet near the kitchen, they're using a scrubber, and it weighs 150 pounds. And he said, I don't want somebody with 150-pound scrubber going to clean my beautiful Oriental rug. Look how beautiful it is. So he decided to look for somebody else doing a different cleaning process. And he's searching all the internet. And he found my system, PetPeePee. Because he's moving from Ohio to Wellington, not far from my warehouse, he called me and he said to me, I'm going to deliver the Oriental rug to the warehouse. I said, what, are you going to drive all the way from Ohio to Florida? He said, no. I sold my business, I'm going to retire in Florida, and I'm coming here. So I'm going to bring several rugs. I want to see how you clean it. Look at this. Because I don't use any scrubber, or I never touched the rug in the wet cleaning process, look at this. No hair that's pulling out from the rug, no color run, the same color how it was before, no any unpleasant smell, because maybe I like a vanilla deodorizer, but somebody else don't like vanilla. You like strawberry. So for them, vanilla will be like a disgusting smell. So I don't deposit any smell in the rug. And the most important, my cleaning product is odor-free. So you never smell a chemical smell into your fiber, into the rug. And because I clean the rug through the fiber, through the blended minerals coming on the top, and the vacuum extract everything through the rug. So all the dust and all the dirt, then it's, in many years, everything fall down with the water, and the rug stay free and beautiful. Look at this one. This is a piece of art that I love. And cleaning an artwork, a piece of art, give me a good feeling. Give me a good feeling that I'm doing something the right way. Remember, the label facing the ceiling. Remember, the label facing the ceiling. If you don't have this material, don't ever use a tape on the rug. Don't put the tape on the rug. Take a rope and just put it like this around. Measure the rug. It's approximately 39 by 20 by 24. Go to Home Depot and buy a box for the size of your rug, approximately. And then take the rug, fold it into the box, put a tape around the box. Call me, I'm going to send UPS to your door to pick it up, the package, and I'm going to even email you the UPS label. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal permanently without using any artificial smell. Thank you.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.